Hi there, Kelly here, Zenith Design Build, and I am at our award-winning property that we remodeled last year on Southwest 23rd that is for sale. It was the People's Choice Award on the Tour of Remodeled Homes award winner, and I'm going to give you a tour of it to show you all of my favorite features of the house. So my favorite feature of the front is this rain chain. I mean, who would have thought of doing that instead of a downspout? But when it rains, it sprinkles down. Very pleasing to watch. So 3135 Southwest 23rd. Nice Therma-Tru modern door. The pulse line from our very own millwork in Ankeny. So he opened up this place. There used to be a wall here. The stairwell was in the middle of the floor. So he opened up the space, made it much more inviting to entertain. GE Cafe line appliances. The matte finish is lovely. A wonderful and unique chandelier. Pay no attention to the light bulbs that are out on that thing. I couldn't find them today. This lovely Marvin door. This thing opens up 3 panels with a big old screen to make it perfect for entertaining, bringing the outdoors in. Look at that big old screen. And I have the projection screen about a little more than halfway down. You can see the big yard. And if you're really ambitious, there's a rope back there for you to climb. I have not climbed it yet. In fact, I've never seen Nicholas climb it. That could be the challenge for Nicholas to climb that rope. But the house is for sale, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. And here we have the hallway. And what's interesting about the hallway is that this used to be a big closet. And Nicholas said, hey, let's make that closet into this cute little bathroom. So he did some nice features to give more space to this bathroom. Look at that shower. There's no, it's all cohesive there with the flooring, a tankless European toilet, and a medicine cabinet that allows for things to be stored and doubles as a full-length mirror. Cute floating vanity. Oh, super cute. Look at that pocket door. Isn't that wonderful? So this is the master suite with IKEA cabinetry for closet system. And this is the bathroom off the hallway. And look at this. Look at how beautiful and interesting that shower is. Another medicine cabinet, recessed. Modern vanity. LVP flooring out here, which is a very durable product. Reused and repurposed and made more beautiful. The ceiling, the new custom railing. The downstairs is an interesting feature for very economically finishing a basement. So the rafters have been painted, the joists have been painted black, LVP flooring, but it's furnished and finished, but in a way that kind of gives an industrial feel, but it's still very functional. And then in here, if you're feeling the energy, you can come down here and pump some iron. But nice alternative to the cement floor as you're working out. Lots of storage space down here. A bike that Nicholas never rides. Washer dryer. Cute little drying rack on the wall. Everything is new in this house. All new mechanicals. Flooring, electrical, plumbing, everything is new. So except for the foundation here, the roof is new. Sorry, the roof is new. The siding he reused. want your brand new house in an established neighborhood. That concludes your tour. If you are interested in seeing the house, let me know. Or if you want to talk shop on remodeling, Google Zenith. Any number you see, I'll answer the phone. Thanks.